Here at Truist Place. I go up to 36. It says car H.
Before I got you.
It says it's going to 36. That's the only floor.
Thank you so much. Not a problem, man. Glad you came.
Door closed. Does not work.
Have a good day.
Probably just because it's so far of a walk from the panel to the elevator. Here we go.
Floor 36.
Let's get a cab view while we're up here. Here's your certificate. Here are your buttons. 3,500 pound capacity. Again, this is car H. Let's do a
This
handicap
route
mode.
serves floor 1, car J.
Car J. Also, you can kinda get a view of Tampa, since that's a vacant office right there. Cars F, G, H, I, and J are high rise. The rest are low rise. Just curious. Oh, I saw it said lower floors. I was curious to see if it had a message like transfer at the lobby, but no, it doesn't because, you know, as expected, probably not that many people doing that. RJ is right here. That's right, better one.
Thank you.
Jay again. So we're getting right back on J. I was hoping we'd get another one, but it's okay, honestly. They're all the same anyway, at least from what I can tell. What we're going to do is we're going to send this one down. Let's send it to 26. You can see it has 26 flashing right here. So let's just let it go down. And then after that, let's take another one to lobby G. So we rode H, we rode J, and now we're going to ride G going down to the lobby. these elevators over here serve 2 and 10 through 23. We're not going to ride those. They're pretty much the same though. That'll be it.